right, this is my buddy Rocco, man. He's family here, man. Like, what, 3 times a week?
Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
I come in Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, but you're closed.
Hey, so eligible bachelor right here, man. One of those eligible young ladies out there, you know. Hey, guy's a hell of a dancer, and he's a hell of a cook. Yeah. So I was telling Rocco, he tells me what he's making for dinner. A gardener, man. If you check out our scampi recipe, we did a nice one with his escarole, right?
Yeah.
Escarole. Big head escarole like this. But he says he made some the broccoli rabe, and we got the hot Italian sausage from the triple hot Orsini's. Man, I tell you what, I just opened the package. The smell is
Gotta be Orsini's.
Dynamite. So, all right, Rocco, let me get in here and do some work. So, Rocco's instructing me. So, what do you think? We start off with a little olive oil and the sausage first?
Brown up some garlic.
Do the garlic first?
Yeah, a little bit. Don't burn it.
All right, olive oil.
Yep. A lot of garlic.
Pete, you got any garlic over there? For some reason, I don't have it here. Nothing like being prepared. So I'm gonna brown it up a little bit. We want, is that a good amount of garlic here?
Yeah.
I agree with that. Orsini's triple hot. Man, it's got so much flavor. What's it got? Some ground red pepper and we can't divulge the secret recipe. Huh?
Yeah, that's under lock and key still.
Okay, Rocco, what do you think now? Let her go?
Brown up a little bit.
All right. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut up an onion. Put a little bit of onion in there. See how you pull that? Peels it right away. What do you think? A little red bell pepper?
Sure.
Wouldn't hurt. Add a little color.
Got the pasta cooking?
Yeah. I got some already half cooked. Might try. Oh. Woo! Look at that nice goodness on the bottom there, huh? It's triple hot, but it's not crazy blow your head off hot. But you know, so what do you think? What do you think, Rocco? Put a little red pepper flake?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right. A little bit of red pepper. yeah. See the water in the vegetables a little bit, you know, nice because it was getting dry. So it's add, you know, now we're gonna kick it up a notch. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh. Manja, manja. There we go. I'm gonna cut the stems, but I'm gonna use a little bit of this here, Rocco.
Okay. Don't waste it.
No. We'll put that in first.
All right.
Hey Justin, can you throw me a couple of those lids? Right on. Nice color right there. Almost a Christmas color, right? Coming up. A few days. Oh yeah. Now we'll cut the rest of this rod.
Rough chop.
What do you think? That's good?
Yeah. Throw that whole thing right on top there.
Yeah.
It'll steam with its own moisture there.
There you go.
A little salt on there. Some olive oil right on there.
One more olive oil? Oh yeah. Abundanza. I'm gonna be careful with the salt right now because of that sausage.
Yeah, you don't need to go much.
But you know, nice to season along the way. Cover it for what? Turn the fire down a little bit?
Yeah.
Yep. Cook it by numbers with Rocco. We'll be right back. All right, so I got some 3/4 cooked pasta al dente, and I'm gonna let that go for a little bit. I'm gonna taste this here, see what. Check it out, Rocco. I'm thinking maybe just a little more salt and pepper. A little more?
It's just right, please.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Any cheese? No Parmesan?
Yeah, I like the
Yeah, Romano. Well, you got more money than we do, Rocco. We go regular. Buy the best and you only cry once. Hey, so. Yeah. Up on the hill, Federal Hill. What do you think? We need any butter in there or anything? Maybe just one piece. Huh? Let's see. We'll get just I'm going to do a pinch in here for the pasta. Okay? Oh, yeah, good as you make it here, Rocco. Rocco, grab a couple of forks right there. Right there in the, no, to your left. No. Behind you, Rabe. It's like an Italian goulash. Italian chop suey. Okay?
Yeah.
Anybody want to try this? Justin, B?
Yeah, I'll be over there in 1 second.
Oh, baby. You kidding me? The smell is out of sight.
Wow. Looks good with the pepper, red pepper.
Oh, yeah. Then little Parmigiani. Oh yeah. Dig in, Rocco. That's for Glenn right there. Baby.
This looks really
Good.
Wow.
Better than mine.
Now, Rocco, you grew up on Shaw Street right here in New London?
Yeah.
What was that like? The Italian section?
All Italians back then. Nice. Had meat market across the street. Tony Ferranti down the end, making grinders.
Grinders? That's what they say, the grinder, the sub started here in New London.
Right on Bank Street. Benedito made them first.
Benedito's over in Groton right now.
Yeah.
What's his son? A grandson or
Oh,
something?
yeah, I guess. Great place in London back then.
Wow. That sausage really come through. Just simple flavors. Sausage, all natural ingredients.
Yeah, it's good.
The natural flavor of the fat, you know, the pork fat off of the sausage. But Rocco was, how many years did he be across the river?
45 years I worked here.
45 years. Building the subs?
Yeah.
Yep, building subs over there. Good career, retired now. He traveled a lot with EB. Went where? To
They sent us
Ireland?
to Guam,
Scotland?
Spain, Scotland.
Scotland? Hawaii?
Went to Hawaii. Yeah, it was a pretty good gig.
And he's in good shape enjoying his retirement.
Yep. I got the body of a 20-year-old. That's a joke.
He's not
I
kidding,
gotta
man.
raise it up a little bit.
He works out with my daughters.
I seen
And so
him
this
there
guy's a machine.
seen him there this morning. Good.
Nice recipe, Rocco.
Yeah, thank you.
Rocco, he's so healthy. He just sold his house, but he's gonna find another place, you know, to build his garden, because he's got a hell of a green thumb.
You gotta have a garden.
Eats out of that garden all summer long. What'd you grow last year? You got escarole, spinach,
escarole, kale,
kale,
Swiss chard,
all good stuff, man. Tomatoes,
peppers,
Peppers.
asparagus coming up in the 3rd year.
asparagus. Oh, no
Guy
kidding.
got a beautiful garden.
Oh boy, and pickles. I mean, you grew your own
Oh, yeah.
cucumbers.
Yeah.
Brings us jars of icebox pickles. Hey, good friend here, Rocco.
Right.
Hey,
You too.
that's the beauty of this restaurant business. We meet so many nice people, but you got a few that really stand out. This guy here, man, he's like our family now. He is family,
My
not
second
like.
home here.
That's right. Hey, it's Daddy Jack's Going with the Blues here. And Glenn Peltier on camera. Paula, where's Paula? She's supposed to be here.
Working.
I'm not just talking. I'm not just talking just for the sake of talking, but you know what? Get you a bag of this. Orsini's Triple Hot, man. Oh, it is so tasty. So tasty. Orsini Sausage Company, 3 generations. Paula, she's over there. Is she cutting hair today?
Cutting hair today.
Oh man, a cut above. Always voted #1 in southeastern Connecticut for what, 10 years?
5.
5 years? Yeah, it just seems like 10.
It seems like it.
And right here in Waterford, Peltier and Orsini Peltier family here. It's awesome. Glenn doing a fantastic job. Couldn't do this without you. You know, share this video if you like it with your friends. What else? We got Chaplin's. We got a Chaplin's restaurant page. We just got back. I'm going to be putting new content up there, so check that page out. Chaplin's Restaurant. I do an article every month in Soundwaves Magazine, swaves.com. Talk about food and music, and also started working on my cookbook again, and putting little snippets of my book in the article. If you find it, you want to check it out. And but anyway, Dad Jack's Going with the Blues here. Dad Jack's, 181 Bank Street, beautiful downtown New London. Peace. Wow.